Hi girls, welcome to Klever's monthly beauty tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to build a bold look with the September box. Let's get started. Start by applying white eyeshadow all over your eyelid. Cover the whole area. Next, add some orange eyeshadow close to your lash line. Finally, use a deep purple eyeshadow on the outer edges of your eyelids. Apply a thick line with the eyeliner gel on top of the eyeshadow. Define your eyes beautifully. Step 3. Use your mascara and coat your upper and lower lashes. Amazing! Step 4. Use the eyebrow gel to style your eyebrows. Apply the gel first, and then the brush. Next, apply the highlighter on your cheekbones. Then blend it using a makeup sponge. Apply the liquid blush on the same position and blend it with similar technique. Almost there. Finally, finish off your look with this gorgeous lipstick selected by Klever. Well done! The next exciting look awaits in the next Kleverbox. See you in the next box.